loaded crash hot potatoes. I've been boiling some small yellow potatoes in some salted water, and I'm gonna check them with a fork. You wanna cook them until they're fork tender, and they're just there now. So I'm gonna take them out of the water and put them on a paper towel just to get the excess water off. I learned how to make them a long time ago from an Australian food writer, and I'd never heard of this method. It is so great. You basically boil potatoes and smash them and then put them in the oven to sort of oven fry them. They are divine. All right? So I'm gonna brush a potato masher with a little bit of oil, and this will help it not stick to the potatoes when I smash them. So basically you wanna go in one direction with the masher, just mash it really gently, and then turn the masher in the other direction and mash again. And just when you think you can't smash it anymore, you wanna stop. And you basically want the potato to look like a total mess. But the reason it's great for it to be sort of craggy on top is that it'll bake in the oven to be nice and crisp, and it'll all eventually sort of hold together after you put them in the oven. Okay, and then after you finish smashing them, I usually kind of go back and sort of gather them so that they're all in semi-neat circles. And then this is very, very, very important. Before you put them in the oven, you want to give them a super generous brush with olive oil. You can add some melted butter in here if you want to. These are so golden and beautiful. Naturally, they really don't need the butter. Can't believe I just said that. What's gotten into me? Okay, 2 more to brush. I'm gonna put them in a really hot oven, and that's why I'm putting so much oil on top. It's gonna help them get really sizzly and crisp. Okay, and then a good amount of salt and pepper. Just think about when you make French fries, you definitely put plenty of salt on them, and you want to do that with these potatoes. It's better to season them before you put them in the oven, because when they come out, that's when I'm going to put all the toppings on. Okay, now these are going to go into a very hot 475-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and at that time they'll be golden and crisp and all ready for their toppings. How do those look?
Looks good.
Okay, let's decorate them. I've got some cheese and chives and sour cream. We can break up some bacon. You want a little appetizer?
Sure.
Okay, just break up little bits of bacon and we can build these together. So where's Caleb today?
I have no idea.
You never know where Caleb is, Hallie.
True.
Where's your mom today?
I think Oklahoma City.
Well, this is a good day for us to hang out together. Everybody left you, everybody left me, which is the story of our lives these days.
Yes.
But you know what's sad is someday you're gonna leave me.
I know.
Then what am I gonna do?
Have Jessie.
Jessie. Jackie Joe, our cowboy, has a daughter named Jessie. Yeah, she's gonna have to be my next stand-in daughter.
Yes.
You're right. Sprinkle away. And then I'll do little bits of sour cream. You like sour cream?
Yes, I do.
All right, now the chives you can sprinkle on, and I'll start getting our food onto the platter. Okay, those look great. Put them on the platter. What do you think of this?
It's really good.